It can be hard to find inspiration as a creative person. I find that when I'm stressed, I have no energy to create and I can't find any ideas in my head. I've also noticed that if I don't detach myself from my phone, I struggle to feel inspired. Sometimes scrolling through TikTok and Pinterest are helpful for me, but for the most part, if most of my time is spent on those apps, then I struggle coming up with my own ideas. For this shoot, all I really knew was that I wanted it to look like fall and I wanted to use this mirror that I thrifted a while ago. I kind of used one of my previous images as inspiration for this one since I loved that one so much. I figured that maybe since I was feeling kind of reluctant to go out and shoot this day, that maybe using that one as inspiration would help me. But I still wasn't feeling terribly inspired and decided to go out to a local state park and try it anyway. I heard someone say once that it's not what you do when you feel motivated, but it's what you do when you don't, and that's what matters more. So I decided to give it a try anyway, and I decided that maybe when I got there that the scenery would inspire me, and I think it did. I find that I come up with a lot of my ideas in the shower, and I think that's because it's one of the few times where I'm not so focused on something else and my brain can finally relax and just let the ideas flow. I recently realized that I have to give my brain a break from consuming things. I feel like I'm constantly consuming things. I always have Netflix playing. If I don't have Netflix playing, I have a YouTube video playing, or I'm scrolling on my phone, and I never really sit in silence. And there's nothing wrong with getting inspiration from other places either, but always consuming other people's art without giving my brain time to process and think on its own is only going to lead me to recreating other people's work instead of coming up with my own work and work that means something to me. I ended up combining a total of 6 photos from this shoot to create my one final image, and if you want to see how I did that, I'll link my Photoshop tutorial in the description down below. I take you through how to mask every layer to build them to create the final image. Please let me know in the comments below what helps you guys feel inspired, and if you made it this far in this video, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Please like and subscribe so you never miss another video, and I'll see you next time.